How does a summary jury trial work? Have you ever wondered how a summary jury trial operates? This unique process is an alternative dispute resolution method used mainly in civil cases. It aims to help parties reach a settlement by offering a non-binding jury verdict. Let's break it down step by step. First, a summary jury trial is shorter than a regular trial. Instead of hearing full live testimony, a jury listens to summarized presentations of the case. This means that the parties involved, along with their lawyers, get to see how a jury might view their arguments and evidence without going through a lengthy trial. The process starts with selecting a jury, similar to a traditional jury trial. However, the number of challenges to jurors is usually limited. Once the jury is selected, lawyers present summaries of witness testimony and legal arguments. It is important that these summaries align with the facts established during pretrial discovery. No contradictory evidence is allowed during this phase. After the presentations, the judge provides the jury with instructions on the applicable law. The jury then deliberates and returns a verdict. This verdict is advisory and non-binding, meaning it does not decide the case but gives the parties an idea of how a real jury might rule if the case went to a full trial. Following the verdict, the parties must engage in settlement discussions. The jury's opinion often encourages these discussions, helping the parties to consider a reasonable settlement and avoid the costs and time associated with a full trial. Typically, summary jury trials take less time than traditional trials, often lasting a day or less. However, the duration can vary based on the complexity of the case. They are especially useful for complicated cases that resist settlement and would otherwise requiring lengthy trials. The judge overseeing the summary jury trial plays a key role in ensuring fairness. They manage how evidence is presented and ensure that the jury receives a clear sense of the strengths and weaknesses of the case. From a law school perspective, summary jury trials provide students with practical experience in jury trial procedures, legal argumentation, and settlement dynamics. They illustrate how traditional litigation and alternative dispute resolution methods can work together. Understanding this process is beneficial for law students focusing on civil procedure, trial advocacy, and dispute resolution. In summary, a summary jury trial is a streamlined way to gauge how a jury might respond to a case, helping parties to settle disputes efficiently while still preserving their rights to a jury evaluation.